You recorded that, didn't you?
Yeah. You said record you.
Yeah, now I never have all my makeup on, nasty.
Can you go get my bag real quick?
Can
you go get my...
I'm kidding. She's never
Can you go get my thing real quick?
Yeah, you gotta
bag.
put the camera near me.
Bag.
You recorded my mic, didn't you?
Nope. Oh crap.
I put a picture of me on my YouTube.
Go tell Donnie.
I'm kidding. I'm trying to see what you're saying. Can I see your mascara for a sec? Crap!
Hang on. Hold this.
Holy crap. You stopped recording, didn't you?
Nope.
Holy crap. Is it recording now? Ricky, come and look over here and see if it's recording.
Yes, it's recording.
Can you see me more clearly?
No. A little bit, but not a lot.
Oh,
now I can see you clearly.
Yeah, so yeah. I think Ricky, didn't you just sell my butt? Whenever I went out to get your freaking bag, Ricky filled my butt because I bent over and I needed to get her bag. So Jewish sausage fest. She loves me. And she loves all of you.
Oh crap, that hurts.
You're so bright, nobody can see your face, so turn around. Shut up.
Don't turn off.
Whoops. Not toward the camera. Not the camera. Take me, not the camera. Yeah, I put my makeup on way better than you. My eyelashes are extra long.
No, they're not.
Yes, they are. I would love to take a freaking photo of me with eyeliner, but I can't wear eyeliner. Can sometimes. Shut up. She said I can't. Holy crap, I'm gonna kill you. So we gotta go, okay?
No.
This is already almost like 3 minutes to it's already 3 minutes.
So?
Ricky, turn around and show me your face.
Watch people. Watch how she twitches.
Hey Ricky, everybody can see the back of your head. It's going down to your butt. It's going down to your butt.
I'll kill you.
Too bad. I'm kidding. Not the camera. What? It's already almost 4 minutes, so we gotta go.
No.
What, you wouldn't be filmed? Putting your makeup on? I do better on my makeup than she does. What, your face? No, I'm kidding, I'm kidding, I'm kidding, I'm kidding. Right. We just got done watching Jewish Sausage Fest. The videos from Jewish Sausage Fest. And too bad we can't see if they're online now. I would totally love to talk to them. Only if they live down here in Irving. They won't answer me on that question yet. Let's do that whenever we get home. Make another one with your cat. And maybe Lacey.
No.
Scooby.
No.
Ginger.
As long as you let me film, we're doing Scooby.
Yeah, you can.
I'm not pulling the camera though.
Ricky, come here. Turn around so everybody can see how pretty you are inside your makeup.
Shut up.
You can see the facial expression she does. It's already 5 minutes. Turn around, everybody can, like, see how cute she looks. You would totally be lucky guy if you ever wanted to go out with her.
Okay.
Not you, Dan. Not you,
I'm
Dan.
almost-
Not you, Dan. Dan is not going to go out with you. He's too old for you. And besides, he's back up.
He's what?
He's back up. He's my backup.
No, he. I'm 11. Almost 12.
12 next month.
On May 23rd. And
She's totally cute and totally fine. She's super cute. She's super hot. She's a girl you like a lot. She's super girl. She's super girl.
I go to Crockett Middle School.
You'll see her in the other videos too.
I'm a Longhorn. And
You're in 6th grade, Dodo. You don't need no boyfriend. Oh crap, 6 minutes.
I'm single. I really need a guy.
No, you don't. You got God in your life. Ah! Oh, my thigh. You punk-headed fart.
She's scared because I can beat her up.
No.
She flinches every time.
You got pants and a skirt on.
It's supposed to be like it's shorts, dummy.
Get in close so I can get a view of those pretty eyes. So I can get a view of the pretty eyes. We need to go.
No, we don't.
Yes, we do.
No, we don't.
We already used up 6 minutes of my memory card.
Hello, Dean. Quit looking down there. No. We're still not posting this on YouTube.
We are. I was only pointing down to your shirt. See how cute her sweater is?
Oh no. Big thing back here.
Videoing.
Y'all need to go.
Oh god.
We're going back out. You see our granny? Okay. See how pretty she looks without it being so bright? We were in such bathroom. Yeah. Yeah. We were inside the bathroom, so that's why it was so bright. Hey Ricky, can I stop recording now? Because it's already 7 minutes. Hold on. 1 second. Ricky. Look. Look this way or else I can fart.